From an empty clearing deep in the forest, the cabin building journey begins with the goal of creating a durable structure that blends naturally with its surroundings. Using large timber beams as the foundation minimizes impact on the terrain while significantly reducing costs compared to a traditional concrete foundation. The spacing between the beams is carefully calculated to distribute loads evenly across the entire structure above. The protective mesh beneath the floor promotes ventilation and helps prevent moisture from accumulating under the structure over time. Once the foundation is complete, the floor framing begins, creating the base that will support every stage of construction. The floor joists are cut with precision to ensure a strong and secure connection with the primary support beams. Additional cross braces increase rigidity and help reduce vibration and movement during everyday use. Even spacing between the supports allows living loads to be distributed more efficiently across the entire floor surface. This stage demands a high level of accuracy because even small errors can affect all the construction work that follows. With the floor structure firmly in place, work begins on erecting the main load-bearing frame of the cabin. Each wall section is assembled to predetermined dimensions to maintain consistency throughout the entire structure. Door and window openings are planned from the beginning to avoid modifying structural members later in the build. Uniform spacing between wall studs improves load-bearing performance and creates ideal cavities for insulation. Every wall frame is securely anchored to the floor system to withstand wind loads and changing weather conditions. Once the wall structure is complete, roof construction begins to protect the cabin from the surrounding environment. After the roof structure is completed, a waterproof layer is added as the first line of defense against rain. The membrane is installed continuously to reduce the risk of leaks at joints and connection points. The OSB layer above increases overall rigidity and provides a stable surface for the roofing material. Metal edge flashing is installed to control rainwater runoff and protect exposed wooden edges. Bitumen shingles are not only lighter than many traditional materials, but also offer excellent waterproofing performance. With the finished roofing installed, the cabin gains a nearly complete level of weather protection. The exterior walls are then covered with a waterproof membrane to shield the structure from direct exposure. This membrane allows moisture vapor to escape while preventing rainwater from entering from outside. All window and door openings are cut precisely to maintain the continuity of the protective barrier. Exterior wood cladding is installed to improve the cabin's resistance to weather and environmental conditions. The air gap behind the cladding promotes ventilation and helps reduce the buildup of trapped moisture. Together, the waterproof membrane and exterior cladding create an effective protective shell for the cabin. The front porch is built to expand the living space and strengthen the connection between the cabin and nature. Large timber posts are securely anchored to support both the roof structure and the usable area below. The porch floor frame is designed similarly to the main floor system to ensure long-term structural stability. Additional cross braces are installed to minimize vibration when multiple people use the space at the same time. The front roof overhang protects the entrance from sun and rain while extending the lifespan of the main door. Once completed, the porch becomes an ideal relaxation area and a defining feature of the entire cabin. Window construction begins with selecting straight, stable timber to minimize warping over years of use. The frames are crafted with high precision to ensure airtight performance and reduce heat loss inside the cabin. Each corner joint is carefully inspected because these areas are most vulnerable to movement caused by weather changes. The glass is installed with care to create an effective barrier between the outdoor environment and living space. These windows not only bring natural light indoors, but also provide direct views of the surrounding forest landscape. A well-designed window system greatly improves ventilation, comfort, and the overall quality of life inside the cabin. Rather than purchasing ready-made furniture, the builder chooses to craft each piece himself to match the cabin's overall architectural style. Natural wood boards are carefully shaped and cut to maximize material efficiency and minimize waste during construction. Traditional wooden dowel joints provide excellent durability while preserving the distinctive beauty of handcrafted woodworking. Every component is measured and adjusted to ensure tables and chairs remain stable on the wooden floor surface. Building custom furniture also allows dimensions to be optimized for the actual living space inside the cabin. The finished pieces serve not only practical needs, but also reflect the builder's personal craftsmanship and vision. Because the staircase experiences frequent use, it is designed with a particularly strong and durable structure. The height and width of each step are carefully calculated to provide a comfortable and safe walking experience. The supporting members beneath distribute loads to the foundation and reduce stress on individual steps. The staircase is securely connected to the front porch to prevent unwanted movement during everyday use. In cold climates, insulation plays a critical role in determining the cabin's overall energy efficiency. Mineral wool is installed within the wall cavities to minimize heat transfer between indoors and outdoors. A vapor barrier is added on the interior side to prevent moisture from reducing insulation performance. Once the technical systems are complete, interior wood paneling begins covering the structural framework. Natural wood surfaces create warmth and establish the distinctive atmosphere associated with mountain cabins. The main door is built with a strong structure to provide both security and effective thermal insulation. Metal locks and hardware are installed with precision to ensure long-term durability and reliable performance. Gaps around the door are sealed with insulating foam to reduce heat loss and improve energy efficiency. Although small, this detail plays a significant role in maintaining warmth throughout the entire cabin. Curtains are added not only for privacy, but also to help regulate natural light inside the living space. As the final finishing details come together, the cabin begins to feel like a true home. One of the most common causes of deterioration in wooden structures is poor water management. For this reason, gutters are installed to collect and direct rainwater away from the main structure. The surrounding landscape is also shaped to allow water to drain naturally without eroding the soil. Though often overlooked, this system plays a major role in extending the lifespan of the cabin. The protective finish is applied only after all construction and installation work has been completed. Beyond aesthetics, this coating acts as a barrier against ultraviolet radiation and moisture. The wooden surfaces are carefully prepared before painting to improve adhesion and extend durability. A rich reddish-brown color is chosen to highlight the natural beauty of the wood against the forest backdrop. After months of dedicated work, the individual components come together to form a complete living space. The finished cabin stands as a testament to craftsmanship, perseverance, and the builder's passion.